Hey everybody, Derek here, and welcome back to Inside Japan. For this week's video, we'll be checking out some of the many varieties of Kit Kat available in Japan. This chocolate-covered crispy wafer originated in the UK around World War II. I always enjoyed them when I was a kid in the US, where they're made by Hershey's. When they first came to Japan in the 1970s, they were originally licensed to Fujiya. But in the 1980s, the Kit Kat brand was acquired by the Swiss company Nestlé. During my time in Japan, I've come across a huge variety of flavors. You can find the traditional 4-wafer version, but the fun-size multi-pack is by far the easiest to find. In addition to the classic milk chocolate flavor, I enjoy the sweet potato flavor, which is pretty good. The passion fruit and salty lemon ones were interesting. There are a lot of seasonal offerings to be found. I thought the pumpkin ones were a good match for Halloween, and I just found a winter variety pack at 7-Eleven, as well as a Daruma variety pack to help usher in the new year. Some flavors are marketed more for adults, like the green tea flavor, dark chocolate, and sparkling wine, for example. I also recently came across some bite-sized Kit Kat balls coated in yogurt instead of chocolate. They were filled with nuts and fruit, and they were actually pretty good. They also make little packages with envelopes to give kids their traditional gifts of cash on New Year's Day, which are kinda cute. There was a small bit of controversy this year when they took the already tiny fun size and made them even tinier. The packaging even promotes them having fewer calories now, but that's only because they shrunk the candy itself. In addition to finding them at stores and at souvenirs at stations and airports, they recently opened Tokyo's 4th Kat Chocolatory, where you and your friends can book a spot for a decidedly upscale experience, where you can customize your own Kit Kat with the toppings of your choice. The packaging is classier and the ingredients are said to be of higher quality. This is more of a luxury candy store than a collection of Kit Kats from all over Japan. They're a bit pricey with a regular-sized bar costing $3. You'll also be able to get crepe-like Kit Kat waffles at the attached cafe if you're looking for a snack break. We hope you enjoyed our look at Kit Kat in Japan, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. You might also enjoy some of our other videos featuring more tastes and treats from Japan. That's all for today, and thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future content. This has been Inside Japan.